Are you having an e-commerce website created on WooCommerce and you're having issue with your checkout page not working? So maybe once you click on your checkout page, it's taking you to a different page entirely, or it's taking you to an home page. Okay, so how do you go ahead to fix it? That's what I'm going to be walking you through in this video. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, Prosper Agbleze. All right, and also give the video a thumbs up because you're going to be learning a lot from the video. All right, so without wasting much time, once you have seen the error, the first thing you need to do is go back to the back end of your website, go ahead and check out all the pages that you have. So just come to pages, and the first thing you need to do is to confirm if you have a checkout page. All right, so you can see I have a checkout page here. Once you see that you have a checkout page, that's fine. If you don't have a checkout page, just go ahead and click on add a page. Once the add a page opens up, then you can give it a title, so you can name it checkout. Okay, without a space, let me just name it checkout. All right, now for this space here, you put in this short code. So you can see WooCommerce underscore checkout. All right, so that's the short code to create a checkout page. Now, if you want to create a different or unique checkout page, you can do that either using Elementor or every other, you can do your design within this workspace. However, to make it easier, just go ahead and use this short code checkout, and then you save. All right, so you've created the page. Now, the next thing you have to do is to come back here. From here now, just come to WooCommerce and then go to settings. Okay, so if you don't have a checkout page, make sure you create yours. And if you already have a checkout page and it's still not working, so once you're on WooCommerce, you come to settings. Once this page opens up, you click on advanced. And once you're on advanced, you're going to see page setup. All right, so on this page setup, you see where we have checkout page. All right, so you come here and look for your checkout page. All right, so you might just type it out, checkout. Okay, so you can see I have two different checkout pages. So you select the one that you want to use. All right, whichever one you want to use, just go ahead and select it. Okay, and then you'll be fine. So once you are done, you come back and click on save changes. Okay, just scroll down, you click on save changes, and with that, your checkout page will be working fine. So you can go back to your website, just refresh, and then you test the feature and it will be working. Right, so I hope this video is helpful and sort out your checkout page issue. If it works for you, do let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.